9 most expensive private jets in the world. 9. Boeing Business Jet 2. It is owned by India's richest man Mukesh Ambani. Its net value is $73 million. This jet offers every comfort and convenience. It has different areas for seating, dining, sleeping and meeting too. It has a maximum cruising speed of 870 km per hour. Its maximum flight range for the Boeing Business Jet 2 is 12,300 kilometers. 8. Airbus A319. It is owned by liquor mogul Vijay Mallya. It costs $80.7 million. It contains a fully stocked dining bar and luxury dining area. It can accommodate 30 passengers easily. It has a maximum cruising speed of 828 km per hour. It has a flight range of 9,475 kilometers. Although unluckily he had to sell this private jet due to some reasons. 7. Gulfstream 3. It costs $125 million. It is owned by movie, television, and stage sensation Tyler Perry. It has a maximum cruising speed of 903 km per hour. It has a flight range of 7,402.98 kilometers. 6. Boeing 757. It is owned by Donald Trump. It costs $100 million. It has a capacity of 240 people. It has a huge big screen television and plenty of storage space are among the interior features of this private jet. Several bedrooms and a master suite are also on board. It has a huge big screen television and plenty of storage space are among the interior features of this private jet. Several bedrooms and a master suite are also on board. 5. Boeing 767. It is owned by Roman Abramovich. It costs $170 million. He is also the owner of the Chelsea Football Club. Frequently he uses the 767 to transport his team in style. It has a maximum cruising speed of 850 km per hour. It has a maximum flight range of 11,090 kilometers. 4. Boeing 747-430. It is owned by Sultan of Brunei. It costs $323 million. It has a lavish interior replete with gold and crystal. The Sultan's 747 is as ornate as any 5-star hotel. It has a cruising speed of 988 km per hour. It has a flight range of 13,450 kilometers. 3. Boeing 747-8 VIP. It is owned by Hong Kong real estate tycoon Joseph Lau. It costs $367 million. It has an area of 445 square meters with a gym, several guest rooms, and a huge private office which is large enough to hold board meetings. Vaulted ceilings add to the aircraft's charm and give the illusion of a larger cabin space. It has a maximum speed of 1,195 km per hour. It has a maximum flight range of 17,020. 2. Airbus A340-300. It is owned by Russian billionaire business magnate Alisher Usmanov. It costs $400 million. It is larger than Vladimir Putin's private jet. It has a maximum cruising speed of 915 km per hour. It has a maximum flight range of 13,699 kilometers. 1. Airbus A380. It is also known as Flying Space. It is owned by Al Walid bin Talal. It costs $402 million. It has more than enough room for all the amenities of home. It has garage doors for cars and even a stable for transporting horses and camels. It has a prayer room that rotates to face Mecca from any direction. It has a maximum cruising speed of 1050.87 km per hour. It has a flight range of 15,700 kilometers.